Hello everyone, I'm back at the Albert Cuyp Market, or I'm going to go there soon. I'm at the metro. I have arrived with number 50 and number 52 metros. So now I'll exit. The metro using my Amsterdam pass and go to the market. And basically that's how you get here. It's very simple to access. And then go up here. Then we go up and you go the street and you're at the market. So this is the start of the market, if you like. Let's see what we have here. Okay, you can't ride a scooter apparently here between 6:30 to 9 p.m. Fruit and juice, take cash, and they take PIN also. It looks like Tyro. No, I don't think it's Tyro, but I'm not sure. He's a popular YouTuber, but no. At least there would be some other guy filming with him usually. He makes some very nice comedy videos in London. We have the herring. It's a very nice thing to have, the herring. Boxer shorts. And now here we have souvenirs. Holland, Amsterdam. Souvenirs. Avengers caps for children, I guess. And Amsterdam caps. Incense, sunglasses. Here we have socks and tights. And ladies. More t-shirts. 15 euros. About cheaper than Madame Tussauds. Madame Tussauds t-shirts are 25 euros, so much more expensive. Here you can sit down and have coffee from this cafe coffee house. So that's a cafe, so you can have coffee. There are places where you can have the green stuff. That's called the coffee shop. This is not a coffee shop. This is an actual cafe where you take a coffee. And here to have some magnets, t-shirts. Prices are 15 here. And they've got Pulp Fiction, they've got Star Wars, Watchmen, and more Amsterdam t-shirts. So I think that's a nice thing. Bazinga also they have. Bazinga. That's from what color? From Big Bang Theory, I think. Yeah. And here they're selling sneaker socks or steps. That's nice. Sneaker steps. So whatever you're interested in, you can find. That's interesting clothes. Even socks with these patterns, green patterns. Denny Wong's honey. You can buy honey also here. Incense. Nice fruit, including avocados, mango. Again, these are all very nice stands here. You can find some very nice fruit, for example. Some nice lemons. Those lemons look beautiful. The pineapples also. Strawberries. Bags, if you need a bag. Very interesting bags.
Een stuk of 4 stroopwafels erop.
Maybe good for a camera back also. Anyway,
En dan op de derde markt staat er eentje. In die kar.
Luggage, a lot of luggage also. Alright, I'm showing your shop for my YouTube video. Travel Malta. I came from Malta. Last year I came here also and I did a video about the market last August. And anyway, trying to do another video now to hopefully more people will watch it also, you know.
Nice camera.
It's a GoPro Hero 9.
Well, this good one. How much price this one?
I think it was some 400 and something euros.
How much?
Or 400 or 500 euros.
Then we can see also in the TV this one.
You can. It's good because besides taking, you know, a good view, you can also film yourself
Like this.
Oh,
like this.
and you can see what you are filming. So
And,
that's
and you can also zoom.
no zoom. You don't have no.
You cannot
no
see,
zoom.
eh?
No, you cannot zoom in.
I have
No
also
zoom.
phone.
No.
I don't know how to use from long time. Too much scratch. Also new one. So I couldn't make. I don't know answer.
Wait.
Where I bought it, I said you teach us.
Uh,
They didn't teach you.
No.
And
online. Try online. Perhaps you find.
no, I went to the media market direct
Oh,
bought
okay.
it. They I was
Sometimes you find even on YouTube videos how to use the camera, how to
don't
use
know
the
that. I don't
YouTube.
know.
You can try. Alright, thank you. Thank you, Abel. Hi. So very nice stand. Again, even more luggage here. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of luggage. In fact, I'm seeing more luggage and bags here than I've seen at Amsterdam Central. In fact, there's a wider variety, I think. And also if you need things like cushions or some clothes. I'll show you the clothes now for the ladies. I'm always wary of pronouncing certain names because I will get it wrong, but I will always try to pronounce, and then if I get it wrong, it's funny also, you know, the pronunciation. Right, so bed sheets, you have here bed sheets, you have pillows or cushions, anyway, every sort of towels, everything for the house. More clothes here. It's still early morning. Here you have a lot of belts if you want a belt, or a Frida Kahlo. Frida Kahlo. Right, so we're getting to another section. Here we have more clothes. Now we have the cannoli, but I think the cannoli might be on the other side actually. Cannoli are on the other side, I think. Just advertising the cannolis. No, there's no cannolis here. It doesn't seem like there are cannolis. There's a workout studio here. Here we have some Turkish specialties, the best food in Amsterdam. And jewelry also. So we have jewelry here, and here we have then the Turkish food.
Turkish gözleme. Turkay.
Hello, morning. Goedemorgen.
Roll cheese, yo, spinach
Very lekker. Very
roll
good.
cheese，有鸡和 cheese，
好给你
有那个菠菜吗？菠菜那个，你要菠菜和 cheese 吗？
the word. Trying it perhaps later. And here we have the cheese, Kaas. K-A-S-S, that's cheese. Gouda cheese, goat cheese, cumin cheese. I had that at breakfast at the hotel. Biological cheese, Masdamer, Johankas, Old Dutch cheese. Very nice. And sausage also, and eggs also. Iron. And here we have some other stuff. We have toothbrushes, products like toothpaste. If you need some toothpaste, again you can buy it here. Different products which you might not find in your country, or at least in Malta you don't find them, like Elmex, Zendium, yeah, and of course the usual stuff like Parodontax and Corega and well, Sensodyne or Oral-B. Okay, so very interesting. It's nice to see the different products which we might not see in our local country. And here we have things like shavers. A shaver at 35 euros, for example.
Sorry?
And if you want to buy a shaver, it normally will cost much more. It will be closer to, I think, 50 something or 55 something euros in Malta for a cheap one. So that's again cheaper prices. It's fruits at the market, but I'm sure that's not just the market, you know. We have things like mushrooms, other vegetables, more vegetables. And another thing you should try in the Netherlands is the stroopwafels. These are these wafers with syrup. Pancake wafers, kind of, with syrup, very nice, and they are worth trying. Now let's see, here we have fresh Turkish flatbread with fillings. Now some art, watercolors of Amsterdam, more dresses here and more vegetables. Here we have more jewelry. Hats, more clothes. Here we have wallets, for example, or sunglasses. So smaller wallets, and phone covers, some small bags. Someone else is making a video. So I'm not the only person filming here today. And here we have the cafe, so let's walk further down the street.